Okay, picture this. You upload a massive, boring PDF or a dense, hundreds of pages textbook, and literally within minutes, AI turns it into an interactive podcast, a narrated explainer, and a completely custom chatbot. Sounds like absolute science fiction, right? Well, it's not. Google's NotebookLM is doing exactly that right now. Today's explainer is a rapid-fire look at 10 incredible new features that are transforming this platform into a total AI productivity operating system. But first, I want you to seriously ask yourself, is the traditional resume officially dead? I mean it. Really think about that for a second. Because today, we're looking at an update so massive, it literally threatens to upend how we apply for jobs, how we hire, and how we showcase our entire professional worth to the world. Later in this explainer, I'm going to reveal exactly what the interactive AI portfolio is and why it might be the final nail in the coffin for the old school taper resume. But before we get to that massive revelation, we need to understand the core conflict at the heart of the AI revolution right now and why this specific tool is behaving completely differently from anything else out there. Look, AI is everywhere. We all know this. But there's a huge problem with traditional models, right? They hallucinate. They pull from generic, unverified internet junk, which makes them incredibly risky for real, serious professional work. So Google built NotebookLM to be a productivity operating system that is fully grounded only in the sources you provide. PDFs, spreadsheets, YouTube URLs, documents, whatever you upload, the AI works strictly within the sandbox of your actual factual data. It dramatically reduces those hallucinations. This isn't just about summarizing things anymore, folks. It's about fundamentally changing what we can do with our own private data. Let's look at this first wave of features to see exactly how. Beat 1. Content evolution. Let's kick things off with feature number 1, and honestly, it's an absolute game changer. Interactive AI podcasts. You upload a dry business report or a dense textbook chapter, and NotebookLM transforms it into an audio discussion between two incredibly realistic AI hosts. Now, having AI summarize a PDF into a podcast is cool, but you might hit a concept you just don't fully get while listening, so Google made it completely interactive. You can literally pause the audio, interrupt the AI host, and just say, hey, can you explain that in simpler terms? Or give me a real-world example of that. The AI looks right back at your uploaded sources, answers your question natively, and then seamlessly jumps right back into the podcast discussion. It's basically like having a personalized, highly educated podcast team that can teach you anything on demand. Insane, right? Moving on to feature number 2, cinematic video generation. Think about the massive stakes here for creators, educators, and even corporate communicators. You upload a research article, and the AI instantly transforms it into a narrated explainer video. We are talking full visuals, animations, and voice narration, bringing the content alive. Stuff that historically required expensive video editors, graphic designers, and professional voice actors, yeah, that can now be done automatically inside a single AI workspace. Businesses can communicate complex info at absolute warp speed now. Feature number 3, AI infographics. Let's be brutally honest here. Nobody wants to read a giant wall of text. NotebookLM fixes this by converting massive documents into visually stunning infographics. It's as simple as this. Step 1. You upload a 50-page report. Step 2. The AI immediately extracts the key statistics, the important insights, and the critical takeaways. Step 3. It generates a single, totally easy-to-digest visual infographic. This is absolutely perfect for presentations, social media, or executive summaries. Instead of spending hours tinkering in design software, the AI just does the heavy lifting for you, saving you an unbelievable amount of time. Beat 2. Professional automation. Feature number 4 is data extraction from PDFs. If you have ever worked with massive reports that have tables buried deep inside hundreds of pages, you know the pain. Extracting those numbers manually takes hours of just copying line by agonizing line. Listen, it's a high-stakes competition out there. If you are manually pulling financial data from a messy PDF, you are actively losing to the analysts using NotebookLM to do it in seconds. The AI automatically identifies, extracts, and organizes that data into completely clean structures that you can immediately export and analyze. It literally turns tedious manual data entry into an effortless, instant process. Let's move to feature number 5 and see how this builds into presentation decks. We have all stared at a blank presentation slide, completely paralyzed by how to structure hours of research, right? Well, NotebookLM directly targets that exact pain point. You provide the context and the documents, and the AI instantly generates a logical presentation flow. It hands you the titles, the sections, the talking points, and the key takeaways. For consultants, entrepreneurs, and students, this is going to dramatically slash your prep time. Feature number 6 tackles the sheer chaos of scattered notes. We're talking Google Drive mind maps. Most of us have hundreds of files, right? Meeting notes, project plans, totally scattered research. NotebookLM actually visualizes the relationships between all these disparate ideas. You just connect your Drive files, the AI identifies how concepts connect across multiple sources, and then it builds a visual mind map. It helps knowledge workers and researchers discover these hidden patterns and insights without hunting endlessly through a maze of unorganized folders. Beat 3, Hyper-personalization. Feature number 7 is custom AI personalities. You can actually give NotebookLM a custom instruction that influences absolutely everything inside your notebook. You can literally tell it, explain everything from the perspective of a venture capitalist. And suddenly, every summary, every podcast, every single output evaluates the data strictly through an investor's lens. Or, say you're a teacher, you can tell it to explain complex physics concepts at a high school reading level. It is exactly like having a specialized, on-demand AI expert tailored to your exact viewpoint. Feature number 8 brings this personalization into the real world with event chatbots. If you've ever organized a wedding or a massive corporate conference, you know the supreme annoyance of answering the exact same questions repeatedly. Where's the venue? What time is the keynote? Look, instead of losing your mind, you just upload your schedule and logistics into NotebookLM and share it. Boom. You instantly have a custom FAQ assistant. Guests just ask the chatbot directly, and it answers accurately based entirely on your uploaded itinerary. And for all the learners out there, feature number 9 is auto-generated AI study guides. Students can upload their lecture notes and textbook chapters, and NotebookLM automatically spins up flashcards, mock quizzes, and practice questions. But here is the critical differentiator. The AI links its answers directly back to the original source material. You aren't just memorizing blind facts. You can click a link and immediately see exactly where in the textbook that answer came from. Actually, it makes studying brutally efficient. The climax, the end of resumes. This is the ultimate feature that is about to disrupt the professional world entirely. Feature number 10, the interactive AI portfolio. Sending a static one-page PDF resume to a recruiter is about to feel ancient. Imagine instead sending a secure NotebookLM link. Inside are your career case studies, your massive project files, your work samples, and your specific achievements. The recruiter doesn't have to sit there and read it all. They can just ask the AI, what specific tools did this candidate use on the 2024 marketing campaign? Or explain this candidate's strategy and the final ROI. The AI dynamically answers using your portfolio materials, actively selling your skills on your behalf. Your career becomes a living, interactive experience that directly answers questions for the hiring manager. This fundamentally changes personal branding as we know it. So, the crucial point is this. When you step back and look at all 10 of these features together, the core thesis of this explainer becomes crystal clear. AI is no longer just reading information for us, it is actively transforming it. Documents become dynamic podcasts. Dense research becomes engaging videos. Massive datasets become actionable insights. And scattered notes become structured presentations. Google has engineered NotebookLM to be the ultimate bridge that transforms raw, static knowledge into completely interactive, multidimensional experiences. This represents an absolute tectonic shift in how we process knowledge. But I really want to hear from you. With all of these massive, grounded features, from the interactive podcasts right down to the AI career portfolio, is NotebookLM officially the ultimate productivity operating system? Or do generative giants like ChatGPT and Claude still hold the edge in your daily workflow? Drop your take in the comments below. Right now, I'm going to be down there reading through your answers. If you found this breakdown valuable, you know what to do to keep those explainer algorithms happy. Keep learning, keep adapting, and I'll see you in the next one.